Hello everyone, good morning. Now I'm going to show a demo regarding desktop version application. It's for multi-number scan, send button messages as well as send Carousel. Yes, in desktop version also now we can send Carousels. So here the dashboard, first we can see complete the overview about software, total messages, total failed, pending, sent, or total contacts here. The first step is devices. Click on that. Already I added here 6 number. Same like that you can add more numbers. Give a name, click on create devices and it's done. Click on show QR and scan your phone number. This is the first step. The second step is give us settings. Left side the last button is setting. Here we can save settings. How we do? Here bulk messaging option. Then we can send a sleep timing after few messages. Like after my 50 message, it take a break for 30 seconds, or you can do customize. Then delay after every message. Minimum is default 3. You can set any like 15. The maximum second here you can set like 20. This type and save changes. So after this, here option is Spintax. You can use for reduce the number blocking. Use the random number for reduce the number blocking. Family number also here option. Like after few campaigns, the software will send a repeat message on your family numbers. You can save once, so that can pick. Like after 100 message, it pick 5 family member number, so it can reduce the blocking. After save changes, left side we go in template option. Like number is already scanned. Now we have to make a template. So I click on this template field. Right side a create template option. Here you can see multiple options for templates. We can use buttons with Carousel also, with location also, simple button or mixed interactive buttons. So I click on mixed interactive buttons, give a name, choose your category, then type your message here like hello, good morning, this is my message. Then if I have a random text I can use, otherwise leave and scroll down, add a button. It's quick button, CAT button, CTA button or copy code. I give a quick button. Interested. That's it. If another button, click on again, drop down, use CTA button. Call to action button, visit my site. Then we can add here any URL. This type. Okay, then click on create templates, the URL. Okay, so now template is ready. The next step is bulk messaging. For bulk messaging we click here. Before start bulk messaging we can store all the contact here in contact field. I click on that, then give a name. So this contact field is this one. Click OK. After that click on zero contact. Here we have multiple options. Add contact for manual, or you just can copy and paste your numbers or import Excel sheet. So I add a manual number. Compulsory thing is only the number, and if you want to keep a note then not. So name and number. I give a name, type a number, this type, and click on add contact button. After that here a WhatsApp verify. So first we can verify our number. It's known WhatsApp or WhatsApp. So this is the very easy way to do marketing. Like we have to use multiple tools for filtered numbers. So in this application no need to use any third-party application for filter. You just can click on verified WhatsApp. It will give a list of filter number. So that's it. Contact is saved. Now go in bulk messaging. Create campaigns, give a name, select here contact groups by random or manual or all verified number. Means you have multiple contact numbers in this software, you can use all that number. So I used all verified node contact numbers. Use here the last made file, okay file, and here right side the scan number. So I can use anyone, or I can use rotation also. So I use that one. Then use templates. So ready-made template we can pick any. New mix template. or we can use any other one like demo with Carousel. I made a message with Carousel also, so that we can use here my delay after messages which I set in setting button, that from that it's speaking. So click on create send. It's showing here reports processing. Now it's completed. How it's going, like I said about Carousel also, so you can see the Carousel how we made in templates, create templates, Carousel, then give a name like here, add your cards, about your Carousel heading, the description, any footer, and add buttons, like you have one image, then there are text and there are 3 buttons. Save that, again new one, the second image, the text and next 3 buttons. So it will scroll left to right, like same official WhatsApp how we using Carousel feature, like that only we can use here also. So this is the software for bulk marketing with use multiple numbers and buttons and Carousel. Here you can use more options also for auto reply, for make chat flows. Okay, you can set your follow up also, like in official how you are doing, like that also you can start your follow up. If your system is on, you are using a server based Windows system, or you can keep online your system, then you can use a follow up system also through this application. Weekly messages, like that. You can group your contact, you can grab from your groups. You have 100 or 200 groups, you can come here and just export the members. Here you can see the report option, how many sent, failed, pending, you can download in CSV file. Then here next option is single message, also you can test. Okay, like before start bulk campaign, you want to test your template, it's correct or not, you just can come here in single message and test.